And now, let's have a look at our second e-Performance powertrain, the version with our 4-cylinder turbo. Of course, it uses the same sophisticated operating strategy. And also, all electric components are identical to those of the V8 version. You already know the extremely powerful and highly efficient M139 engine from our 45 series models. The basic design is such that we can now also integrate it longitudinally into our vehicles. This allows us to use this engine in our future C-Class with e-Performance technology. And I can already reveal this much. You can expect outstanding performance and efficiency values. We achieved this through another remarkable innovation. The 4-cylinder inline engine is the first production engine ever to be fitted with an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. This technology also comes directly from Formula One. It is known as Motor Generator Unit Heat, MGU-H, so you'll find this system also in our Project ONE hypercar. This shows electrification also improves the turbocharger. Since the electric motor sits on the turbocharger shaft between the turbine and compressor sides, it ensures a spontaneous response of the charger and thus a rapid buildup of power. The e-turbocharger combines the best of both worlds. The agility of a small turbocharger with the peak power of a large turbocharger. So much for the technical concept of our new electrified high-performance models. We are now pushing the door wide open to the future of driving performance. With e-Performance, we create potential for everything that is important to us and to our customers. Performance, efficiency, and driving dynamics.
We are living in exciting times. The transformation of our company is in full swing. With this in mind, today we present the strategy and technologies that AMG will use to define the future of driving performance. That is our aim, and it is clear that the electrification of the powertrain plays a central role in this. A central success factor for Mercedes-AMG is the electrification of our products. This is an essential part of Daimler's technology strategy, which all group brands have adopted. If you are now wondering how this harmonizes with AMG's core value of performance, Formula One provides us a convincing answer. Our colleagues from England impressively demonstrate what an electrified powertrain can achieve. Our powertrain strategy for Mercedes-AMG is based on two pillars. Firstly, performance hybrids with a completely independent layout. Secondly, battery electric AMG models based on the new Mercedes EQ platform for vehicles of the executive and luxury class. So, in principle, we follow the same strategy as today with our successful 43 and 53 series models. And as you know from our combustion models, the electric AMG models also come with specific features in all relevant areas. From the powertrain and chassis to the design and equipment. This ensures that all of our electric models offer the AMG-specific driving experience our customers expect from us. Our first battery electric AMG will debut later this year. Now you are probably asking, is there a battery electric vehicle coming soon on an AMG exclusive platform? Well, that is certainly an exciting question, but not our topic for today. Today, it's all about our upcoming high-performance hybrids. Powerful and efficient models that we will offer under the E-Performance technology label. The name says it all. Our focus remains clearly on driving performance. This is what AMG has stood for in the past, and this also will remain our brand promise in the future. Moreover, I can promise you and also our customers that we will offer even more of this. The key to this is our AMG own concept, in which we do not use off-the-shelf solutions. Instead, we rely on AMG-specific hardware and software developed completely in-house. Our new E-Performance powertrain can be combined with both 4 and 8-cylinder engines. We will be introducing this technology package, firstly based on our V8 engine in the AMG GT 4-door coupe family later this year. And the upcoming AMG C-Class will also be launched with E-Performance. Then, with a 4-cylinder combustion engine, which has been the subject of speculation for some time. This engine will again set standards in terms of power density. And as E-Performance, the next generation will be as emotional and as dynamic as the current C63. I can promise you that today. Ladies and gentlemen, and it goes without saying that we also heavily invest in strategically relevant areas due to the increasing electrification at AMG. One example of this is our engine production facility in Affalterbach. We are setting up an additional production line for our high-performance 4-cylinder engines, which we will also use in our performance hybrids. Of course, following our one-man, one-engine principle. In addition, we are building a new test center for electrified powertrain components and high-voltage batteries in Affalterbach till 2022. In parallel, we will intensify our cooperation with the Formula One colleagues in England. This will further strengthen the successful technology and knowledge transfer between the development teams. One example of this is the AMG-specific high-performance battery. Just like the other powertrain components, the energy storage unit is inspired by technologies that have proven themselves in our Formula One race cars under the toughest conditions. Our new Formula One cars with E-Performance logotype and AMG branding are definitively more than mere image boosters. What we can achieve if we join forces and know-how is demonstrated by the Mercedes-AMG Project ONE hypercar, which brings the Formula One powertrain almost one-to-one to the road. The first models of this highly exclusive series will be delivered to our customers this year. And Jochen Herrmann will now tell you which technical innovations you can expect with E-Performance in our future passenger car models. Thank you for your attention.